the tea is like if you are 40 bags, you have to take some, mix the sample, so that it's trying to people that sample to the client. If you approve the tea, we have to send it before. After Barbie, when the tea is not well gone in the sack, we use that machine which is working to vibrate. By vibrating, all the tea will go into all corners, and we will have the right measurement of shipment. So these are the tea for shipping. And remember I told you to make this one. You can see this one that is only for organic. This is our code for organic. No one can use it if you want all over the world. This is our own code for organic products.
Okay. And it is going to where?
This tea? No, I will know. I will have to check this number. 5,500. This one is going to America. To a client, tea importers. It is going to be tea importers, this one. Also the quantity in the bags will depend on the volume of the grade. That one you saw on the board was not only the grade but also their density.
So which tea is good? The dry season tea is good or the
Ilaga Fatma.
The season doesn't actually affect what the tea. The clone is carrying.